Hey everyone, thinking about using Visual Studio Code for Python? Let's find out if it's the right tool for you. Vscode is a lightweight free code editor from Microsoft. It's super customizable and supports tons of languages. But today we're zooming in on Python. With the Python extension, Vscode transforms into a powerful Python IDE. First, IntelliSense. It gives you smarter code completion, catching errors as you type. Second, the built-in debugger lets you step through code and squash bugs fast. Third, Jupyter Notebook support, so you can run and visualize data right in VS Code. Plus, extensions like Pylance make linting and formatting a breeze. You can even run scripts directly in the integrated terminal. No extra setup. VS Code's strength is in its flexibility. Customize themes, key bindings, or add extensions for frameworks like Django or Flask. With a massive community, there's an extension for almost anything. Any cons? Yeah, well, VS Code can feel overwhelming if you're new, and it's not as heavy-duty as PyCharm for massive projects, but for most Python devs, it's a perfect balance of power and simplicity. So, is VS Code good for Python? Absolutely. It's fast, free, and packed with features for beginners and pros alike. Download it, install the Python extension, and start coding. What's your favorite VS Code feature? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.